Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to try out the Anastasia Beverly Hills Shimmer Body Oil that I got in my July 2021 Boxycharm Premium Box, which was the Anastasia Beverly Hills collab box. And if you have not seen that unboxing yet, I'll have that video linked in the description down below. But I'm so excited about this because I love body shimmer. The shirt that I'm wearing today, I didn't even wear it planning to try out this oil, but this is exactly when I like to use these types of products because I have my shoulders showing and it is more of like a top that kind of accentuates the shoulders, and I feel like that's the perfect time to just make the skin glow. And this is a very expensive body oil. It retails for $38. So that makes me even more excited to try it out. I definitely think that you can get amazing shimmer, body oil types of products for cheap. But you know, when I get it for such a good deal in Boxycharm, I am all about trying it out. So it's a lightweight body oil that gives skin a shimmering, sun-kissed glow. Says this rich, luxurious formula leaves skin with a touchable, silky soft feel. It features a delicate coconut vanilla scent and has a sparkly glitter reflect that illuminates the skin with a golden glow. Shake well prior to use. And I like the packaging on it. It is glass, so it seems very luxurious, and I feel like it would look nice like on display on the counter. And let's see. Yeah, it has a spray, which this kind of makes me feel nostalgic for when I would use shimmery body sprays as like my perfume when I was younger. I hope that I like the smell of this. But okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start out by trying to spray it on my shoulders. And by the way, ooh, this says it's safe for the body, so you don't want to use it on your face. But wow, right away I see gold glitter and it smells actually so good. The coconut vanilla scent, like this is definitely a smell that I want to wear as a perfume, so that is such an added extra bonus. I don't have any scented body shimmers, so that really sets this one apart in my collection. And you can let it dry down, but I don't think that this would dry down too fast. So just blending it in. Ooh. I mean, it blends easily. It's definitely a glitter effect. Like now I just have lots of flecks of glitter on my shoulder, but I like that. I don't want the random flecks of glitter on my face. I want more of a glow to my face, but for the body, I am fine with glitter sparkle. So what do we think? Shoulder without it, shoulder with it. Not much of a difference right now. Let's see if I apply some more. So like when it's wet like that, that gives a beautiful effect, but I can't just leave it totally wet. I gotta blend it out a little bit, and ooh, there we go. That is what I'm talking about. That gives radiance, sheen to the skin. Yeah, it just like catches the light. So funny, just like moving my shoulder like this versus without it, like the difference. It's kind of like, it's not like someone would really notice like, oh, that person's wearing oil on her shoulder. Like it just kind of looks like radiant, beautiful skin compared to without it. Like it just adds a little something. But then when you get up close, you notice the gold sparkle as well, which is a fun surprise. And it really is like, it's not a greasy oil. And the smell, like this is seriously such a nice smell. Like I would actually buy this as a perfume. I love the scent that much. Oh, that is so fun. Let's go ahead and go a little, spray a little on my neck. I love this. So easy to apply because of the spray bottle. A lot of the body shimmers that I have are more like dropper liquid highlighters, and this is just so much faster and easier. And it has a lot of sparkle to it, so it's not just like sparse flakes of sparkle, like it's a full even layer of sparkle, if that makes sense. But oh, I love it. This is so fun. So perfect for the summer because now I'm getting my sparkle, my perfume, and a little extra moisture and the glow to my skin. Well, it's actually the time of the year where I'm showing some skin because, you know, as soon as it gets cold, I'm gonna have like no use for this. So very quick review, but I love this. Like, this will become a daily product for me just because I love everything about it. And I feel like I smell so good right now, and I love having glitter on me. So if you might be into those same things, then I think that you would like this product as well. And if you have tried it out, definitely let me know your thoughts on it in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.